Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, family, depending on where you are watching me from. You're watching me from East Africa, Kenya. And if you haven't subscribed to Baby Caro, kindly do so. Actually, there's a school over there. We are coming home to lunch. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so for more and more amazing videos. Today is another beautiful day. I feel so happy today. And yeah, I'm from the shop. I went to buy this cooking oil. You know, they usually put here in this bottle. This is just like a drinking water bottle. Yeah, so when you go to the shop, they put for you here, or they put for you in an alcohol bottle. Yeah, this one here. So welcome to African Serenity Garden, and today we have an amazing video for you. Let me close the gate. Yeah, welcome back, and here we go. So today we are actually going to prepare something special. Let us go first the kitchen garden to remove some onions, then we start our preparation. I'm going to show you what I'm going to prepare. It's actually my first time, so we are going to prepare it. Here we come to the kitchen garden. So I've come to pick some onions. You know what? I planted a lemongrass on the other side. Someone has removed it. It's not there. I put one on this corner. And this area has been dug. You know, it's so funny. I think someone stole the lemongrass, because who can take it? I had planted here on this side here. Even there was another one here on the other side. Who removed them? Oh, this one is still here, but the other one here on the other side, it's not there. Maybe let me just say it's because it's near the fence. Maybe someone just plucked it because it was just right here where there's the onions. Yeah, so I think maybe someone removed them from the fence, because from the fence it's so near, you know, one can bring the hand up to here. But it's okay, I'll just again replant it for maraba. They're greeting me. Shikamoo is some greeting words in Kiswahili, so the feedback is marahaba. And the good thing here in the village, you know, these kids, like, they greet anyone, even if you're a stranger, even if like anyone, like you know, they have like they have been taught some good, how is it called, good, good, I don't know how to call it. Yeah, but they are well behaved. Okay, let me pick up the onions from this side. So we are going to prepare something unique which I haven't prepared before, and I'm very sure you'll get to love it. I have to take plenty of onion because actually we are going to fry like you know, like two foods. Yeah, so I think half will go to one food and half will go to the other. So yeah, this is my cooking oil. Here we go. We are passing through the backside gate on this side. Yeah, enjoy the video. I'm going to show you right away. So here I've just passed from the backside. I'm going to show you a nice meal which I'm going to prepare. And I just think you know, there's something which is not right here. Like the firewood is reducing. I don't know if someone is taking them, but there are so many of them. But right now they have kind of reduced. Even the other one over there, it's kind of reduced. Yeah, so here, welcome to our kitchen area. Well swept. There's some nice firewood here and they are very dry. I was using this machete to, you know, to split them on the other side, the firewood. Yeah, got hurt a little bit. Yeah, so welcome. This is what you're going to prepare today. Actually, it's my very first day. I've never got like a, you know, to prepare them. It's my very first day. So this one is written macaroni cheese dinner. Actually, it's one of the gifts which our mom Lavan put for us, a package from USA. And today we are going to try some macaroni cheese from USA, some nice meal. Actually, I've never seen it. So this is my first time. We are going to open it and see how they look from inside. But I think this is the picture where they have drawn a spoon. This one here, it's like they kind of look like this. Yeah, so today we are going to prepare some macaroni cheese from USA with some African matoke. Actually, this matoke, and it's so green. It will be so delicious. And we have a green pepper here. We have an avocado, some how is it called? Some tomato. And I almost forgot the coriander, but we'll just go back because the coriander will be one of the last option which we'll put on food. Yeah, so today we are going to try some African matoke with some macaroni cheese in USA. I don't know if this food is found in Africa, but I've never seen it. It's called macaroni cheese dinner. Yeah, so this is one of the best meal which I'm going to prepare today. I'll get to know how it tastes. Yeah, but it looks so nice from the look of the picture. Yeah, so we'll see the outcome result, and I'm very sure I'll love it. Yeah, so right now I'm going to light my jiko, then start the preparation. And today I'm not starting with matoke. I'm going to start with the macaroni cheese. I want to see how it will be. Yeah, so you know. Oh yeah, I was trying to look for the directions. Like, I don't know how to prepare it. Yeah, so there's direction here on the, you know, on the outer cover. Here it's written 6 cups of water to a boil, stir in macaroni. Boil 7 minutes or until macaroni is tender, stirring occasionally. Do not rinse. Drain, do not rinse, return to pan, add 3 tablespoons of margarine or butter, 2% of milk and cheese, mix well. Oh my god, they are telling me to put milk inside, but I don't have milk today. Yeah, so I'll try to make it my way. I see how how the outcome will become. But it looks so nice, and it looks like a kind of, I'll open it. Yeah, so let me arrange everything, then we meet here when we start everything. Yeah, so stay tuned, drop some sweet comment, tell me what you think about this video. Big love. So right now we are going to open our macaroni. My fire is getting ready, so let's see how it looks like. Actually, I've never seen it, so let's see. Ooh. You know, I didn't expect. They are so tiny. Actually, they look like spaghetti. Wow. Wow. So let me put some water. I think I'll use the tiny pot. So let me bring some clean water from the house, then we pour inside our macaroni. We give it 7 minutes like it was written on the outer side so that it can boil. Just 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Can't wait to test it. They are so tiny. You know, expected it's something very huge. Something so tiny. So we'll give it 7 minutes to boil. So meanwhile, I'll be preparing my ingredients, then also prepare our banana as we wait for our food to boil. So we have our chopping board right here, and actually I don't know what's this, but we'll get to untie it. Yeah, so let it just stay here. We'll also burn up this one. So I'm going to wash my ingredients, and we have some clean water here inside the pot. Yeah, so let me put them inside. So right now we are going to wash our ingredients, and we have our chopping board right here. So I'll start with the it's a lot of water. So these are green pepper. Our chopping board is so clean. So let me try putting it here. So we've done cutting the ingredients, and right now actually the 7 minutes are over. It's boiling, and I'm going to remove them from the fire so that I can put them back here. Then we fry them in this same pot. Now I've put some onions, I'm going to put some green pepper. With some little cooking oil. think that one is enough. So as we wait to boil, we are going to remove our coriander from the farm. Yeah, so there is heat. So let's go to the back side of the garden. Yeah, we are going to bring some coriander. I can't wait to taste the macaroni. And they are too soft. Even if you don't have teeth, I think you can chew it. It's very soft. Yeah. So I wish also next time I could, if I could find some milk, I could have put to see how it tastes. Yeah, so here we come. Oh, the coriander is fully grown. Oh, there's someone who asked me about the coriander. She asked me, why am I uprooting the coriander? You know, the coriander, when you don't have to cut the stems, it won't grow again. You have to remove it completely, then you replant again some other seeds. But if you cut the stem like this, it won't grow again. You have to uproot the whole coriander. Like now this one is fully grown. It looks like a big tree, like this one. I'm just going to uproot it. Yeah, so for the coriander, you have to uproot everything. This is how you remove the coriander from the farm. Then you have to replant some new seeds. Yeah, I think soon I'll have to replant them. I'll have again to get some seed before also they get depleted, because we also use almost daily. So this one to bring some sweet scent. It's big, so big, and it has some nice scent. Wow, just like lemongrass, it has some sweet scent. Yeah, so let's see our onions on the other side. So right now I'm going to open these. Let's see what's inside. I actually don't know what's inside. Oh, it's orange color. Wow. Let me open a bigger space. And it has a nice scent, so I think I'll have to let me put this one first, then I'll put the macaroni, but I don't know what it is. Actually, I don't know. Let me just put a little. Wow, it has kind of changed to a yellow color. It looks like the color of turmeric. Wow. Let me feel it's kind of salty. And it's kind of sweet. Let me add more. But I'm supposed to put a lot, I don't know if I'm supposed to put the whole sachet or I'm supposed to remain it. Let me remain. Oh, it's already over. I put everything inside. let me know in the comment section. I don't know what the yellow thing is, but it's kind of sweet. Yeah, let me know in the comment section what it is. So I'm going to put my macaroni inside. It's a yellow paste right now. Well, it looks like rice. Yeah, it looks like rice, and it has some sweet scent. I think I'll let it to boil for some like 3 minutes. Yeah, because it's very soft. Then we remove it from the fire. So stay tuned. Now the 3 minutes are ready. We are going to remove it. It's it has some nice scent. I can't wait to taste it, so I think I'll put it here in a cool shade. Then let's prepare our bananas. Oh, I forgot our coriander. Yeah, but the goodness, I can just cut on top of it and close it with the lid. It will just, coriander doesn't have like to cook too much. Yeah, so let me do like that right now. Yeah, so I'm just putting it like to boil, like for only, not even boil, just for 1 minute, so that the coriander can mix up with the... I think I've turned it so much. It's kind of wants to become like, thick, like a ugali. Yeah, so let me just put it here. Yeah, so let me prepare the banana so quickly. We have the remaining coriander here, which we'll put in the banana. Yeah, so let's peel up our banana then. So right now we are washing them. We've done preparing everything. So this is how we wash in our African village. Kind of dirty. Yeah, so let me light up my fire. The fire had gone off. Yeah, our bananas are here. Yeah, so let me prepare everything, then we'll get back. Yeah, so right now I'm going to put the ingredients. I'm going to put the green pepper with the onions. Going to put our cooking oil, just a little of it. Yeah. So for me, I love putting the turmeric on our banana, so let me bring it. It's inside the house. I love it when it's giving, you know, the yellow color, and it also has some nice scent. Yeah, I love putting turmeric on the banana, and sometimes when I prepare meat, I usually put it. It's just here inside the house. Put our tomatoes inside. These are banana, and yeah, I found our turmeric. It's here. So right now I'm going to put some little water inside our meal. So right now I'm going to put some little salt, then I'll give it like 20 minutes. 20 minutes it will be ready. Yeah, so stay tuned. When our meal will be ready, we'll be putting the coriander on the other side. So right now I want to cut the avocado and you know, continue decorating our plate for some nice presentation of our meal. ready. I'm going to remove it from the fire. It's so ready and it has some nice smell. Yeah, so let me remove it from the fire before our soup ends. It's still boiling because it has, you know, some heat inside it. So I'm going to warm our macaroni because it's like when you leave it them for some time, when it gets cold, it's kind of they are sticking to each other. Yeah, I never knew it was like that. So let me boil. I see if it will, you know, separate and become one. Yeah, so I'm putting right them back on the fire so that they can just have some little boil. Right now our meal is ready and also the boys have arrived just right now. It's almost 2 p.m. Yeah, so they have arrived. Yeah, so these are our macaroni here and our banana, matoke, and some avocado. So let's start with the banana. Avocado and our macaroni here. Wow! Oh my god! Wow, it looks so nice. They look like big rice. Oh, so this is our presentation. Let me come to the sun here. It's kind of cold. You can't see the beauty of this meal. So some avocado, some macaroni with some matoke. Yeah, kindly rate my meal. So these are final result and I'll be serving to the boys. I know they'll enjoy, also from the USA. Yeah, they'll enjoy. So they've just arrived right now and they were not here since morning. Yeah, so I was just here they are and I'm very happy they have just arrived like right on time, right on meal time. So we'll enjoy this meal together. And thank you so much, Mom Lavan, for this precious gift. Yeah, I know they'll enjoy so much. They'll enjoy. Yeah, so I'll serve for them. I've brought like some plates here. So right now I'm going to serve the meal. I've brought the plates. So this is how our meal looks like. This banana, avocado and macaroni. Actually macaroni is so sweet. It almost tastes like rice. Yeah, maybe you can tell me like which food do you have like to eat with this food? Oh yeah, this is a pot. It has caught my hands. Let me wash my hands first, then we serve the meal. Yeah, so the bananas I usually prefer to cut them like you know, whole like this. Yeah, so we have some spoon. there's some soup here, and it's so thick. So I'm going to serve macaroni right now. Yeah, and the funny thing is, like, when I cooked it, it's kind of they increased in, you know, size. Like they always the rice like increase, they also increase in their sizes, so it has become like you know, plenty, which will be enough for all of us. Yeah, so it's still remaining, so when one wants to add, he or she will add. So let me cut the avocado. So here we are going to serve. Actually, the flies have started coming here. Yes, Chacha Junior, say hi.
Hi guys, my name is Chacha Junior. Today I want to enjoy meal here.
Meal from USA.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you can take. So they are still two inside the house. I'm going to call them. You can pick one which you want. Yeah. You want to taste it? Yeah.
Yeah. So nice.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
Wow. With some matoke with avocado. It tastes like rice.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, so I'm telling you, like, it's tasting like rice. Actually, it's like rice. Yeah. So right now, so I'll be calling the others also to take their meal here, so that we enjoy as one big family. I hope you enjoyed the video till this point. Oh no, let me first taste it and tell you how it tastes. I haven't tasted actually anything. You matoke si ni tamu. I never knew this banana will taste like this. It's so sweet. Tamu means it's delicious. So this macaroni here. It's tasting like rice, like spaghetti, like it's so sweet. Wow. So right now we are enjoying the meal, and I wish to end my video here. So I hope again to meet you next time, and stay tuned for more cooking video. Yes, so stay tuned for tomorrow, and I love you so much from this side. Thank you so much, Mom Lavan, for the gift, and may God continue blessing you. So right now we'll be enjoying our meal. So till next time from this side, and if you haven't subscribed to Baby Caro, kindly do so for more and more amazing videos. Yeah, so right now we want to enjoy the meal. Shijina, tell them bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye. Till next time. Ciao, ciao.